what is the finished project supposed to look like? Okay, so as in, and then researching. So what is it supposed to look like? I do have a full implementation somewhere that so what it, because I didn't make a full implementation, but I think Tim did. So I can show some degree of the full implementation, what it's supposed to look like. I would say, personally, I would think that that one could be slightly more pretty. So this is what it looks like. Yes, it's a lot of blue. So from the UX perspective, yeah, leave that. And so this is what it looks like. You can press the next page button, the previous button. So this uses the UX from ResRec. This has not the backend. The front end doesn't change depending on the backend. One thing, so I'm not sure we need to look at PyCharm for that, but there is a file that's basically exercise 6. Okay, I'll leave it open for now, but that is the sample answer for exercise 6, but leave that for now. So you are expected to try and make it look nice. That would mainly involve CSS, say some framework or some CSS framework or other. One of the errors I saw people that was that they used the CSS framework directly from the host, and then the host forgot to renew their certificate. In general, it's better to host your code directly from your own server so that you don't get an issue with that. So you put it in your let me show you in PyCharm. So you put it in something like your CSS folder with hosting it as static, as I kind of demonstrated here a little bit. So if you have a CSS folder, then everything goes from there. So you have this kind of root. You should see this from last time, and you can put some styles. So this is the styles and the thing. You can put the style in here, and then in your document you can do something like, okay, link it. So this is a relative URL. You can also have a host relative URL if you put a slash in front of it. Of course, test.html is from the root, so that is the same. So this is how you link to it. You can do the same thing with a JavaScript thing. I think users.html does that. So it does these JavaScript at the end. Again, so this is a relative. You could do it this way, and then it would always go back to the root of the server. And this way, it doesn't matter where you host it from. Wherever the file is, it will. So if it's a file or if it's on the server, it will work.